Hello, everybody. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Ego here, and today I wanted to talk about focused intention. Let's wait for some people to join the live. I know I haven't done a live in quite some time. How is everybody doing? Leave a comment below as we chat about this, right? So, I guess I'll get started. Oh, first of all, my name is Keroy King. I'm an author of several books. If you need any, just send me a direct message, then we'll talk. Uh, Write in the comments any questions or where you're listening in from, and we'll go from there. Hello, Godfrey, how are you? Yeah, so today I'm talking about focused intention, And oh, I'm in Kampala, by the way. So let me know where you are. So I spoke to a client a few weeks ago, and this stayed on my mind. We were talking about general things, but the main thing I got from our conversation was he wanted to do certain things to get bigger and better, but there was a lack of focus. You know, there are some personalities that like to do so many things, have so many things on the table. But when you decide to build a project or two or three, there is a level of concentration and focus that you need. Concentration of your thoughts, of your actions, and concentration of your words. What I want to highlight right now is mostly the consciousness of the ripple effect of your words, the consciousness of the ripple effect of your actions, the consciousness of the ripple effect of your thoughts. Because many of us are trying to build, yet our words are destroying what we are building. Or our actions are not aligning with the goals we have, or our thoughts are self-limiting, whereby we are destroying the actual thing we are trying to build. You know, for example, you have a business and you want to get partners. In the same breath, you say partners suck. I don't trust anybody. So how will that work? Because you need trust in order to have partners. You have to have a good rate of discernment in order to have them, in order to pick the right partners who will work with you on a project. Then, for you, who is the builder of this project, if you have plan B or plan C, oh, in case this project doesn't work, I'll do this, I'll do that, then how do you expect to find a partner who will dedicate 100% into this partnership while you have plan B, C up to Z? That won't work, you see? So, hello, welcome. Let me know where you're listening in from. So, the reason I'm talking about this focused intention, once you eyeball where you want to go, always take that self-awareness to make sure that everything you're doing is going towards that direction that you're trying to build, unless you're changing your mind for whatever reason. But there is power in giving a project or a goal momentum until the momentum peaks and starts to grow on its own, or you've put in place proper mechanisms and systems for something to continue moving slowly. You'll always need focus of resources and everything you've got. But otherwise, let's be aware of the repercussion of our thoughts, action, and words. Always think and remember, am I destroying the same thing I'm trying to build, or am I actually building that thing that I want? you know, and having mechanisms in place that can stop those things that are trying to destroy you. Hi, Lawrence, how are you? Leave your comment below. Thank you for joining. You know, so continuing on, as you do your life out there, as you build things and create a better life for yourself, always be aware. This is a constant practice of awareness of how our actions and the ripple effect that is caused. Because you are a co creator in whatever situation you're in. Yes. And the situation you're in is a summarized version of all your thoughts, actions, and words. Whether it's a bad situation or a good situation, that is the reality right now. The good news, everything can be changed, everything can be turned around, but it's up to you. Anyway, today's video, the summary is: be conscious of your thoughts, words, and actions, and always think, what does this word I've just said or this action I've just taken produce in the future? How does it affect other people around me or the projects I'm trying to build? As always, it's Keroy, Mother Ego here. If you need my books, send me a direct message. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day.